Hi everyone, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. In this video, let's have a look at the add type commandlet. Add type is the commandlet to go for whenever you want to extend PowerShell functionality with the help of .NET. Make sure to read and reread the complete help of the add type commandlet. Add type provides for 4 ways to include .NET classes and code in PowerShell code or session. Let's use the one which allows to load assemblies by the assembly name. Let's first see if this class which allows for sending keys is loaded in our current PowerShell session. It is not, and PowerShell suggests to check if the assembly is loaded. Now let's use add type to load the assembly with the assembly name parameter. Now if we run this, we can see that class has been loaded. Now we can either store it in the object in a variable or pass it to get member. Let's stick to the static methods for now. As you can see that there are some interesting methods. Let's use send wait. As seen earlier, PowerShell provides this special operator for calling the static methods. Now let's first pass this to the format list commandlet to see the definition of send wait. As you can see, we can pass a string to it. So let's call send wait with this string. So as you can see that the keys have been typed onto the console. So we extended the functionality of PowerShell. Another usage could be, for example, to list devices in PowerShell without using WMI. We can use the system.service controller class. Okay, it's system.service.process.service controller. As you can see that the assembly has not been loaded. Let's again use add type with the assembly name parameter and let's load the assembly. Now if we use it, and let's list the static methods with everything. So any interesting thing in this? Okay, this method called get devices looks interesting. So let's use this. As you can see that there are multiple methods of calling get devices, either without any parameter or with a string with machine name. Let's call it on our local machine, and this is a list of devices on the local machine. So this way add type could be used to extend the functionality of PowerShell. Now as an exercise, explore the .NET assemblies and find the one which deals with DNS. We saw this in the previous video. And after exploring that class, do a DNS lookup using a static method, which we saw in this video. That is all for this video. If you are enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please recommend us to your friends and colleagues.